Today we'll be showing you how you can edit your business name on Alignable. To start, go to your profile by opening the My Business dropdown in the top right-hand corner. Then click Visit My Business Profile. Once on your profile, find and click the purple Edit button right below your business logo. In the pop-up, you can change the business name at the top of the window. Once you're all set, scroll to the bottom and click Save. And you're all set. Your new business name is now public to your connections and your community. If you have any questions, check out our help center at support.alignable.com, or feel free to reach out to your community manager.